Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. In this video we are going to see how to fix the no sound problem in the Chrome. So first open the Google Chrome. Then in Google Chrome open the three dotted button on the top right hand side. Then open the settings option. Then settings, scroll down and you will find an option called advanced and click on it. After clicking on advanced you will find an option called privacy and security. In that, go for site settings. In site settings, scroll down and you will find an option called sound. Then click on the sound button. Then you will find the sound option. In sound option you will see that the you will see a black button. This means that the Google Chrome has muted sound. Then click on the black button again and you will find that the button appears to be blue. After doing this, the Chrome has you can hear the sound normally and there will be no issue of sound in Chrome. Yeah, that's it guys. This will definitely help you and will help you to fix the sound problem in your Chrome. That's it guys. If you like the video, please do like it, share it, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also watch the other posted videos. Till then, bye guys, be good.
We'll be right back.